Today we're looking into the story of Anthony Akers, a name that gained attention following a tragic and disturbing case that shocked a local community. What began as a missing person concern quickly turned into a criminal investigation that raised serious questions and drew widespread attention. Now, years later, many people are asking, where is Anthony Akers now? Let's find out. The case dates back to 2017, when 20-year-old Hannah Williams was reported missing in South Carolina. Concerns quickly escalated when investigators discovered suspicious activity surrounding her disappearance. As authorities began piecing together her last known movements, attention turned to Anthony Akers, who was connected to the victim. According to investigators, Akers had been in contact with Hannah shortly before she vanished. As the investigation deepened, law enforcement uncovered evidence that led them to believe foul play was involved. Eventually, Akers was arrested and charged in connection with her disappearance. During the case, prosecutors presented evidence that linked him to the crime, and the situation took a grim turn when it was confirmed that Hannah Williams had been killed. The case drew emotional reactions from the public as details emerged about the circumstances surrounding her death. Anthony Akers later faced trial, where the court examined the evidence and testimony presented by both sides. After legal proceedings, he was convicted in connection with the murder and sentenced to a lengthy prison term. So, where is Anthony Akers now? As of today, Anthony Akers is serving his sentence in prison in the United States. He remains incarcerated following his conviction, and there have been no widely reported updates suggesting any change to his legal status. His case remains a somber reminder of how quickly situations can escalate and the lasting impact such crimes have on families and communities. From being a person of interest in a missing persons case to becoming a convicted criminal, Anthony Akers' story is one that continues to be remembered for its tragic outcome. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.